Look at that. Cabin filter is dripping with water. Nothing but water. The cabin filter is wet. So this leak is coming from, I think this leak is coming from the windshield cowl. I think it's coming from this area right here. Look how much water is coming out of there. That's insane. Like, come on, look at that. That's pure water. And that's why I got the leak in there. That's what's causing the leak. That's insane, man. Look at that bubble soap. So now I figured the leak is coming right there in that spot right there. You can't see it because it's dark.